Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rianto Putra. I'm from 1B class. I will tell and introduce the local wisdom of the Riau Archipelago, be it culture, special food, traditional host, traditional clothes, and regional dance of the Riau Island. The origin of the name Riau Island come from the name Riau. Riau allegedly come from the word Riu, which means crowded. This is because the Riau Island area was once an ancient center of trade and crowd. The Riau Island first song that I know is Tarempa. This is Tarempa song come from my own area. Camely the Anambas Archipelago district and we are handful of people is one of the regional songs originating from the Riau Island. That this is a masterpiece from Dr. Andes Daud Kadir, which tell about the geography of Tanjung Pinang. Malay clothes such as the black shirt, the kefit whistle shirts to the Teluk Belanga. These are commonly worn by the people of Riau in traditional ceremonies or other official events. Teluk Belanga is a traditional Riau archipelago dress for men in plain color. Teluk Belanga is combined with colored trouser and clear length sarong that functions as a scarf. Kebaya labuh traditional clothing has a shape with special characteristics. The most famous dance in the Riau archipelago is the Zafin dance. In the addition, there are several other types of dance. Special food istri Kepulauan Riau, gonggong. Indonesian cuisine can sometimes just have unique basic ingredients. Varieties of sago, caterpillar, and seal worm to be processed into foods. These foods can be found in style or the coast of the Riau archipelago, so anyone who wants to enjoy gonggong can eat the sometimes while the ice with a panoramic view to surrounding beach. Slime noodles. The next typical food of the Riau Island is mie slime. Tarempa noodles. As the name implies, mie tarempa is a typical food from the Riau Island, or Riau Island which come from the Tarempa area, Anambas. Homeware tourists can not only find mie tarempa in Anambas because there are already many shops selling these foods, especially Tanjung Pinang and Batam. Luti drum. Luti gendang is a leg snack that Riau Island residents often enjoy with a cup of hot coffee. Its presence can be found in coffee shops throughout the Riau archipelago, especially Tanjung Pinang and Batam. If you want to bring luti gendang back to your hometown as a souvenir, now there are many souvenir shops typical of the Riau Island that sell luti gendang. Luti gendang is bread filled with sour fish. Luti is the Chinese way of saying bread, while gendang is the name of the Tarempa people which means fruits. The outer texture of this bread is crunchy, but the inside is soft. The stuffing of luti gendang usually tuna. And lastly, the Riau archipelago is famous for having the most interesting tourist attraction and words not to be avoided because it has island and beautiful clean beaches and blue seas. I'm very happy to live in the Riau Island because the local wisdom is very interesting and the people around area so good care for the others. But what I don't like in the Riau Island is the lack of awareness that there is a lot of ocean pollution even talks the sea in the Riau Island are very beautiful and blue. Hopefully, with the existence of human awareness, they can maintain the cleanliness of the sea of the Riau archipelago. Thank you for the province of the Riau archipelago because of its beauty and prosperity. I feel at home living in the Riau archipelago, and I also apologize if I have ever met an inappropriate behavior to be imitated which made to province of the Riau Archipelago fields as a myth, but I promise, God willing, I will bring the name of Riau Archipelago. Riau will go global in the future. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye.